Hello and welcome back to Beidat IT training. So in this module, we will do more prompt engineering. So far, you have learned about how to run a prompt using text and also trying to generate different types of images, recipes, and so forth, right? So in this module 2 about prompt engineering, we'll do some more prompt engineering or some more prompts, text as well as images. Maybe we'll add some code and so forth. Now, we already asked that question in the first one, so we'll do something different this time. So this will be for those that know how to program, right? Or trying to learn how to program. So let's come back and ask this question right here. And come back here. We can start with ChatGPT. Oh, actually, we actually got Jabati here from the last one, right? We didn't come back to see this. All right, so let's ask this question. So write a Python function. Python is a programming language for those that have not programmed. It's considered to be high-level programming language. It's one of the easiest high-level programming languages. So write a Python function to reverse a string or to reverse, let's call it instead of a string, let's do it. The string means what is inside of addition. The string, let's do a book. This is a name. And let's see what it gives us. So here it's giving us a code. Here's a function. In Python, dev is the way to define a function, reverse a string. And then here it shows you reverse name, reverse string, the name Abubakar, and then print it. And then it rewrites the name for you. Okay. How about Mexico? I'm just following up with the previous prompt. So it didn't really see. Okay. I can go back and say, go back. Previous prompt. You can kind of chit chat the same way. You see that? I didn't have to type the whole question. I said, right? I went back to the previous question. Okay, here is another string. You see that? Now, instead of Abubakar, saying Mexico, and then rewriting it for me. Sometimes you can chit chat with the AI that you're using. Okay. Now let's take the same one. And then of course you can use the different here it's still using image generation. I want to go back to a new instead of image generation. I don't want image generation, I just want text. Okay. And then here it gives you the same way that we have seen in ChatGPT. You see that? And we can do DeepSeek the same way. Again, I'm showing you these different ones, so you have the choice later on to play with whichever you want to use. Mostly, I use DeepSeek and Quantum, and I would say 30% maybe I'll use Copilot. Okay. See that? It looks nicer here. You can actually take the code and play with it. And then it has some follow-up with Copilot. Can you explain how the slicing works with Python? What are the other ways to reverse a string in Python? Can you write a function to reverse a list as well? Okay, let's look for list. Again, this is somebody who's interested in programming and what they can do. It actually gives you the code and the examples and so forth. All right, let's try another prompt. JSON is called JavaScript object notation. That's another programming language for those that have taken cloud computing with me. You have seen using JSON with the CloudFormation. All right, so let's see. What is the capital of Mali? So here it gives you, see that? This is a JSON code for it. Same thing, pick any. So I just wanted to show you. You see that? Different responses or different way that you can write. Okay. And we can even do some more prompt. Let's say math. Give me step by step of how to do an algebra problem that has some variable. Algebra equation. Let me put an equation. So we're trying to see math. So it's 2x plus 3 equals 11. And then it shows you example step by step. So here it says it hit the free limit for this. Okay, so let's just X this out for now. So you see the example, find the value of X. So here, 2x plus 3 minus 3 equals, and then it tests it, 2x equals 8, and then goes through that, and then X equal to 4. Final answer, X equal to 4. See that? So we can take the same prompt. Again, any complex problem you can ask right here. So let's ask for Quinn. It goes through it step by step. So moving forward, I'll just show you maybe two AIs, like either Quantum or DeepSeek or Copilot. We won't do all 5 of them, so you have an idea. So this one gave you 2 detail, right? Here we can say integrate row of x to the power 3, let's say. So here it shows you the integral of x cubed dx. So remember it's n plus 1, so it adds 1 to it, plus c1. See that? It shows you. It doesn't matter how complicated the problem is. You can ask any question that you want. Okay? So these are asking some math problems that can help you with your homework. So these are some more examples that you can run. A bad prompt will be, tell me about AI. That's not a good prompt. But if you say, summarize AI's impact on the healthcare in 3 bullet points, or, because you're specific, right? Write a story, that's generic, right? 200-word sci-fi story about a robot learning emotions with a twist and clear, right? Fix my code, right? What code? Debug this code. You have to be specific on what you're asking for. Right? So these are just some more examples. Tell me about, photosynthesis. These are some more examples that you can kind of run. So let's do one more prompt. So here, let's say we ask, write me, who are some of the famous singers in East Africa? Write me the song, I think Hassan, it's one of the singers, right? Okay. So this has Samantha Shida. Copilot shows me this is a singer. And then Beledweyne, right? Non-song. Give me the script of Beledweyne in English. So you will grab the content, songs how tribute to Beledweyne, a city in Somalia, right? You can check it out. So this one is not giving me, so it's giving me different sources, right? Okay, how about if we take that and try another one? Maybe here. So still not giving me, it's telling me to look for something else, right? How about DeepSeek? So it's telling us about the song now and every part of the song, who's singing the part. See that? But it's giving us a story. All right. So these are the different prompts that you can kind of ask and play with. You can, these are some scripts and some prompts that you can ask. All right. So that ends this module, and I'll see you in the next module.